Всем привет! С вами Зизибука и
Darkface.
сегодня мы снимаем новую рубрику Пиксель-арт на своем канале. Ну что ж, поехали!
Come from Detroit, and we ain't from outer space. We don't come from Miami, but we still got the bass. We came to rock the party with a brand new sound, with the bass so low that it's underground. The minute that you hear it, it'll make you move. You'll be pulled onto the dance floor by the techno groove, cause we're here with a new sound to rock the place. And the name of the sound is the DMX bass. The music hits you hard like a nuclear bomb, and you can't sit still when you hear this song, cause the sound is so funky and the bass is so low, makes all the party people wanna get up and go. When you listen to this music, you know it's the best. The DMX bass is deeper than the rest, so get up on your feet because you know what to do. Just get on down to the sound of the DMX crew. The DMX bass is the baddest sound, makes all the party people wanna get on down with the TR-808 and the DMX and the techno bass that hits you in the chest. We're here to rock the party and we can't be stopped. Our intention is clear, to make your body rock. The feeling from the music is so in your face, and you're dancing to the sound of the DMX bass. The DMX bass gonna rock the set, gonna give you some bass that you won't forget. When it hits your chest, you will cry out for more, cause the DMX bass cannot be ignored. It's a brand new sound and it's here to stay, and the DMX bass isn't going away. So listen up when I say it's DMX in the place, and everybody rock your body to the DMX bass.
Crew, cold rockin' in a 97 style, you know what I'm saying, boy?
такой вот у нас получился Райчу. Это эволюционированная версия Пикачу. Ну что ж, ребятки, всем удачи, всем пока. С вами был Зизибука и...
Dark Face.
Пока-пока.